前はもう死んでいる。
Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today Hi YouTube, welcome to another video. So today is going to be a quick one. I've ordered something that you guys probably already seen from a well-known guy called Kirk Lishman. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. And it's funny because every time that I read his name, instead of saying Kirk Lishman, I say Klinsmann!
And across towards Klinsmann!
You know, the football player. I don't know why. Kirk.
Klinsmann!
Anyway, this video is going to be about how easy it is to install this light, what a difference this makes to the car. Probably you already noticed in my previous videos that third light is installed, but that's because I never filmed the video how to do it, and I had to return the light to Kirk because there was one or two LEDs that failed. His customer service is 11 out of 10. He literally said, send me back, I'll fix it and we'll be with you within 2-3 days. He's such a nice and approachable guy. Honestly, that's what I call proper customer service. I didn't have to pay anything, and to be honest, it's not his fault. It happens with all the stuff, isn't it? It's just material fault. But he replaced the LEDs and he sent me a picture how it looks. So yeah, you'll notice that everything that Kirk sends is really nice, packed. It's funny story is when I actually sent my light for the first time, he told me that the packaging was not great. But anyhow, this is a quick unboxing as well. So here, Kirk's always send us some chocolate when he sends his package, which I think is a really nice touch. I mean, I know that big companies do it, but if you think about it, this is a one-man band, and still a nice touch, in my opinion. So, yeah, I'll have this later, Kirk, thanks. This is it. So this is my actual unit. I'll show it in a bit more detail. To be honest, you can't actually tell the difference inside, but as soon that you put them on your car, then yeah, it makes a huge difference. So but what we're gonna do next is I'm just gonna go outside and show you guys how easy it is to fit one of these. So let's do it. Right guys, so to remove the brake light is really easy. So there's this trim panel we got here. There's some plastic trim, so I would just recommend to use some trim remover tool. They are quite stiff, and once you remove that panel, obviously the light is not here, but you're gonna see there's some screw holes here, and literally there's 4 of them that you unscrew, and then all you need to do is to unplug this plug from the brake light, and that's it. right, YouTube, and this is it. As you can see, it's a less than 5 minutes job. There was not much for me to film, and I think it's such a nice, cool mod. I'll throw some pictures of before and after having this mod done. As I mentioned before, I had this installed 6 months ago, but one of the LEDs went. So once again, thanks to Kirk to sort me out, and thanks for the chocolate. So I shall have my coffee and my chocolate. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.